Hello everyone, Mr. Happy Zap here with a quick interim update on my humble abode build. Even though I have my main floor all insulated with 2-pound foam, 5.5 inches and whatnot, as you can see here, the basement yet has not been insulated and whatnot, studded or insulated, and it will be, the inside of the basement walls will be getting 3.5 inches of 2-pound foam to give it an R21-22 value. Which hopefully will stop this, as you can tell, that is what you call heat transfer from the inside of the house to the outside of the house. Okay, and this is what you want to stop. You know, even though it's the temperature here is about 32, 34 degrees, and it's snowing, and we've got some snow on the ground, as you can tell. I don't know, maybe a couple inches, 3 inches. It just gives you an idea of how much heat loss you can have through your basement. So I just want to have this update here for you, and once I get the spray foam inside done, we'll be doing another video just to show you how much you can alleviate the attrition of heat loss all the way around your basement walls with the spray foam. And I guess, well, any kind of insulation, but I think the spray foam will be the best at attenuating this attrition of heat from the inside to the outside. So here it is. It's just an update for all of you, and I will keep you posted once I'm done, because guess what, by the time I get it spray foam, we'll still have a bunch of winter here yet. Even though it's not quite winter, late fall, you can have that, but as you can see all the way around, there is heat loss happening. It's actually pretty incredible when you really think about it, but that's the kind of heat that comes and leaves the actual basement. Okay, we'll talk to you later. Bye for now.